This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Import Carlisle, giving you a 1-minute car show. This is a 1957 BMW Isetta. This is the car which actually saved BMW after the war. It was licensed from the Italians, Isetta. That's why BMW Isetta. There are differences. Notice it's one single door in the front. You can see the way how the steering column is actually hinged with universal joints, because that pulls out of the way when you open the door. This one's the sunroof model. I gotta show you, these are what, 10-inch tires? Yep, 10-inch tires. It's a 4-wheel car. Everyone mistakes this for a 3-wheel. The BMW version is 4 wheels. You could see the 2 wheels in the rear. You could see the diff over there. Only one of the rear wheels has brakes. The 2 more brakes up front. You could see the single cylinder 300cc 4-stroke BMW engine, accessible through the side. Right there. This is a popular microcar, or bubble car as they call it. You can see the way how that vents out. It's really pretty cool. Fascinating car. Now, a couple little facts. Okay, we've got BMW facts back here. It was 13 horsepower, top speed was 53 miles an hour. Length, width, and height is 90, 60, 53. Weight was 775 pounds. Production was 55 through 1962, 161,360 were made. As I said, this saved BMW after the war. What put them on the map was the 700, which was a cute little 4-seater, 4-wheel car. For more cool events like this and the 1-minute car show, make sure you check your car show calendars, NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, make sure you promote your car shows and your car events directly on the calendar. I'll see you at the shows.